Welcome back to another video. It is currently 5 a.m. We are about to leave for fishing. Pero kape muna tayo. Okay guys, breakfast is all ready. Big shoutout kay Ate Fe. Siya gumawa ng tuna, coffee, and yes, we're ready. We'll see you guys out there. See you in the marina. Swerte na tayo eh. Good morning guys, we are here in the marina. Super beautiful day out. Again, welcome back to another video guys in Nalu Fishing. Maraming salamat sa mga bagong suporta. We are growing, we are now 2,400 subscribers. And shoutout ulit kay Sir Idol, Japper Sniper, the best talaga. Maraming salamat sa pagtulong at pagsama nung last video. And hopefully sa mga future adventures, mag-adventure ulit tayo kasama siya. Okay, sorry for the 2-week late upload. We recently flew to a different country and I will show you the clips here. We went to the biggest fishing shop in Japan. Check it out. Hey guys, welcome back to another video on Nalu Fishing. Today we aren't going fishing, but we are going to a fishing store. So stay tuned. We are headed that way. I don't know where to go. It's my first time traveling by train alone. And first of all, I just want to thank all the new subscribers. We are growing, Nalu fam. We are about 2,300 subscribers now, and we continue to grow. So thank you all for subscribing. And Miguel, if you guys are all new here, and join us today as we go to Japan's biggest fishing store. Joining us today, he's back. The famous Gab Reyes is joining us. Big new day. Get more tools, catch bigger fish. It's gonna be a great day. Stay tuned. Gab is finally back after not joining us for so long. Any shout outs to your friends, big boy? Shout out to Saga Juko. Big fan. Shout out to all of Gab's friends. They've been supporting me like crazy. And yeah, I got him on the vlog for you guys. So right now we are walking to the train station. Based on Google Maps, it will take us about 30 minutes to get there. So let's see. I've never been to this fishing shop before, and I heard it's crazy big and super complete, filled with different Japanese-made equipment. Right now, guys. The technical difficulties, I think we're lost. So we are here in the, where do you see that? The Ginza station. Where's it? Here, Ginza. We have to go all the way here. That's where the fishing shop is. Let's go. Hey guys, we made it. Now we're just waiting for the subway. Finally made it. We are here in Ikebukuro City, and then from here it takes us 6 minutes to get to the fishing shop. We made it! But they said it was the biggest one. I think we got scammed. The last one I went to last year was way bigger than this. So let's see though, let's go inside. Oh yeah, see, no photos, but let's hide it. Okay, yeah, it's pretty big. Damn, it's big, it's big, it's big. Okay guys, we made it. We are here. They said no photos, so we gotta do things, you know, pretty quietly. Okay guys, I need to be quiet because we can't be too loud though. So I'm here now in the hat section. We need some caps. I've been losing my caps recently. They have lots to choose from Shimano to Varivas. Daiwa. So I got that one. Recently we've been low on some hooks because the hook selection in Manila, it's either pretty pricey or they don't really have the specific size. So I'm here in the hook section now. Check it out. They got some split rings too. They're really nice ones, but for jigging. They got some trebles, so we can make stinger rigs also once we get back home. Check out these split rings. Laki. It's 300 pounds. I've never seen a split ring that big. I don't even know if my pliers can open that. But today, usually when we jig kasi, we stick with these ones, size 7. That's usually perfect. These ones here, the Shout brand. Those are usually the toughest that I use. Here's what I got. I got one 400-pound 2-piece swivel. And I got some small split rings to use for jigging. Yun, medyo nahirapan a bit to video kasi in Japan usually ayaw nila yung maingay, ayaw nila nagbe-video, pero yeah, I was able to get some clips for you guys, and let's go, let's start this day and let's start this adventure. We got the drone flying now, getting all the views. We are here, kasama natin si Tugleg doon. And the goal is to buy live bait, salay-salay, yung pain. Yan na, malaboy niya yung isa. Sir Greg, good morning! Fortune lang? Malakas? Guys, we found from Nalu's bangka 3 pieces. Current strong because the moon is big today. So mas malakas yung agos and the line isn't as straight when you drop it down. We got it! Fish on! Dali.
Punta pa ka dyan. Yan, okay na. Gumagana na yan. Bumay ka marami.
Yoman.
Wala, di na gumagalaw.
Hindi. Ano lang yan?
Ay, balik mo na sa kanila yan.
CPR mo na, mouth to mouth. CPR mo muna.
Tatlo. Here you go. Sometimes they speak.
245.
Ay, Wasman, kunin na natin. Sige. Ay, so if you guys are wondering kung anong fishing method ginagawa nila, this one is called alamang or kaskas. So yung proseso nun is nagpapa-chumming sila using krill and once they chum with krill, lumalapit lahat ng mga salay-salay, alumahan. Tapos, ayun, pag lumalapit mga salay-salay, lumalapit din yung malalaki. Tapos lumalapit din yung mas malalaki. Then the cycle goes on. So, I recommend this method. Give this a try. I've tested it before and this is how I catch some of my GTs, talakitok. Natutulog lang yung salay-salay mo.
Okay,
Nakahiga.
mo, ha?
It's a prank daw, it's a prank. So how does it feel like to get live baits?
Feels great. It's not every day where we get live bait. Recently actually, yung mga salay-salays, for some reason, I don't know, baka naubos, nagtago. Pero thankfully now, I don't know, after 1 month, bumalik na sila. Yesterday si Idol Tugleg, our good friend, he caught almost 1 cooler and was able to sell really well and, you know, earn a good amount of money. So ngayon today, we want to support all these guys and we'll support and buy their salay-salay. Okay kuya, shout out! Maraming salamat! Okay guys, we got 9 pieces today. Medyo mahina dahil usually pag yun nga, malaking buwan, fish are separate, they're more on the move, not in schools. But now we are headed towards Fortune Island. We're gonna explore and hopefully we're wishing for great weather, even though it's amihan. But yeah, let's just explore, adventure, and hopefully sana makahuli at makakain tayo today. Approaching Fortune Island, traveling at 33 knots. We'll be in the spot, the area, the island in about 5 minutes or so. We made it! Fortune Island, we're here. We're just looking for the perfect area to drop our Kaboy Boy rigs. Hopefully we catch a big one.
Dito.
Sa skin. Oh, sa
Hey. Think you're gonna catch?
hopefully. We see lots of fish jumping today. So, guaranteed sailfish. Good size. So, tanige, king mackerel. So, hopefully, kumagat. They're all jumping near our baits pero di lang tinatamaan pa yung pain. Patience, patience. It will pay off. Okay, kain muna tayo. Wala pang bites as of now. All the baits are all just out drifting there. We have 6 live baits out drifting in this area kasi yung bite isn't as good sa mga ibang spot na pinupuntahan namin. Pero you never know eh. That's the good thing about fishing. You just have to weigh your luck, be patient. Check out my view this morning. Grabe. I actually grew up in this island before. Not really on the island, pero ever since I was young, we'd always come here, swim here, and the waters here are known to be extra healthy before, but now it has changed. Lots of sharks would pass by, and usually when there are sharks, that means the water's a lot healthier. Lots of turtles too. Now the fishing in this area is 50-50. Sometimes good, but most of the time, not so. dagat, sablay. Lost the first one, pero feel ko nasa mga needlefish na pumakit niyan. After trying around 6 to 7 hours of fishing, drifting live baits, wala talaga. We did everything we could. We put the baits off the wall, pero no bite. If you guys can see right behind me, look at all the white caps. The swells and waves have picked up. Amihan season is here. Lakas na talaga. From the waves and everything, so usually at this time, challenging na makalaot ng sobrang layo. Pero before, if you guys check my last video where I caught the big sailfish, it was during this time, during Christmas. So you never know, mamaya you'll get lucky soon. But I guess this adventure today, walang swerte sa fishing, pero super thankful for it. Sobrang ganda ng island behind. Nice views, nice drone shots. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. See you guys soon on the next. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Sa mga new subscribers there, thank you. I'm Miguel from Nalu Fishing. Peace.